Mergers and acquisitions are a major part of corporate finance that shape the way corporate world is organized. It is also one of the main functions of an investment bank as it is one of the largest transactions in corporate world. Merger is when the two companies combine to form one, while acquisition is when one company gets taken over by another. Merger is done usually with companies of similar size and value, and both are combined to form one larger but stronger company. An acquisition is when a company gets taken over by another company and the acquired company no longer exists. An example of merger in Pakistan is KASB and Bank Islamic on 7th May 2015, while an example of acquisition is of Uber acquiring Careem for $3.1 billion. A huge motive behind mergers and acquisitions is to create synergies. This means that the combined output will be much larger than the sum of their individual outputs. In other words, 2 plus 2 will be 5 after the acquisition. Another reason is diversification into new businesses or products to reduce their risk and dependencies on a singular source of revenue. Companies are acquired or merged to enter into new markets where they don't have their presence yet. This can act as their entry strategy. With increasing competitive pressures being placed on businesses and the trend towards globalization, companies are engaging more and more in merger and acquisition activity, and this means more opportunities for investment banks. Investment bank can represent both sides of M&A, which includes seller side and buyer side. Seller side advisor represents the target company and they prepare the company for sale and they perform the valuation. They also take care of the due diligence. While buyer side advisors represent the bidder and they estimate the synergies. They perform valuations and they reach a decision that how will they pay the acquired or the target company. The acquired company can be compensated with cash, stocks, or combination of both. A definitive merger agreement is the one which is signed between the seller side and the buyer side, or the acquired company and the acquirer. This agreement contains the terms and conditions of M&A deal. One of the main roles of investment bank in mergers and acquisitions is to establish the fair value for the companies involved in the transaction. Several financial modeling techniques can be used to calculate the worth of business. Investment bank provides advisory services which are based on extensive research and then help finalize the terms of agreement in which there is fair value for both of the parties and they get the best of the agreement.